welcome in online series of machine design. Myself, Naimisha Goswami, and we are continuously discussing about rolling contact bearing. So in last lecture, in previous lectures, we have already seen that different equations for load-life relationship of bearing. If load is given, so how to find out life? If reliability is other than 90%, so how to find out life of bearing of if reliability is 90%, and vice versa, right? And we have seen that variable load condition, how to find out equivalent radial load if variable radial load is given, so how to find out equivalent radial load, right? And then we will find out life of bearing with respect to your 90% reliability. So that we have seen in previous lecture. In this lecture, we will see one numerical problem or a numerical problem and see how to solve numerical by using different equations, right? So here is one numerical which is based on load-life relationship, okay? So first of all, this is your numerical. So a shaft rotating at constant speed is subjected to variable load, right? So here from first line we can find out that this is the condition of variable load, okay? And bearing supporting the shaft are subjected to stationary equivalent load. So we have used bearing which are supporting your shaft, okay? So when bearing is used for your supporting purpose, so that bearing is also subjected to variable load, right? So for that condition, different load are given or different radial load are given, right? So you can see here are subjected to stationary equivalent radial load of 3 kilonewton for 10% of time. So what is mean by this? This indicates that if there are several loads are given, W1, W2, W3, okay, and life of bearing is only N, okay, or you can say that N, okay, percentage of time is given, right? So if we are considering here time is equal to N, okay, so N is equal to N1 plus N2 plus N3, different percentage of time. So 3 kilonewton is applied for 10% of time, means this is equal to 10% of N, so is equal to 0.1. Similarly, second condition is given 2 kilonewton for 20% of time, means W2 is equal to 2 kilonewton and N2 is equal to 0.2 of N. Similarly, 1 kilonewton for 30% of time. So W3 is equal to 1 kilonewton and N3 is equal to 30% of time, means 30 divided by 100 of N, so you will get your 0.3 N, okay? And no load for remaining time of cycle, means time we are considering N, right? So N is equal to N1 plus N3, N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4. So N4 is equal to, you can find out N minus, N4 is equal to N minus N1 plus N2 plus N3, okay, so you will get your N4. So in that condition, W4 is equal to 0, clear? If total life expected for the bearing is 20 into 10 power 6 revolution at 95% of reliability, okay? If reliability is other than 90%, so reliability with respect to your 95% reliability, life of bearing is given. So by using this fundamental of reliability, we can find out life of bearing with respect to your reliability when reliability is your 90%, right? So we have to find out, calculate dynamic load rating. So we have to find out C. C is not given. W equivalent you can find by using W1, N1, W2, N2, okay. So first of all, we will write down all given data, then we will put one by one all value in respective equations. So how to solve it, you can see here. First of all, write down your given data. So W1 is 3 kilonewton, with respect to time is given 10%. So this is equal to your 0.1 N, right? Similarly, W2 is equal to 2 kilonewton and N2 is equal to 0.2 N. Similarly, W3 is equal to 1 kilonewton and N3 is equal to 0.3 N. Similarly, W4 is equal to 0. Okay, and what is the N4? So N4 is equal to N minus 0.1 N minus 0.2 N minus 0.3 N. So we have taken N outside of whole bracket. Okay, so N4 is equal to 0.4 times of your N. Okay, so by using this all data, you can find out equivalent load. Okay, N95 life of bearing with respect to reliability 95 is given. So this is equal to 20 into 10 power 6 revolutions. Okay, L90 is life of bearing with respect to reliability of 90% and N95 is life of bearing corresponding to reliability 95%. So 95% life is given, 90% life is not given, and we have to find this value. So how to find out this? We know relation between reliability of other than 90% and with respect to 90%. So L95 divided by L90 is equal to log of V 1 divided by reliability 95% divided by log of V 1 upon reliability with respect to 90% की power 1 upon V. So we know V is constant, so V is equal to 1.17. R95 means 0.95 and R90 means 0.9, right? So we will put this value in this equation. So you will get this value is equal to 0.54 and you can find out or you can transfer N90 is equal to L95 divided by 0.54. Okay. So by using this equation, we can find out L90. So life of bearing with respect to 90% reliability is equal to L95 divided by 0.54 and life of bearing with respect to reliability 95% is given. So this is equal to 20 into 10 power 6 revolution divided by 0.54, right? So you can get L95 or life of bearing with respect to your 90% reliability is equal to 37 into 10 power 6 revolution, right? So this was the first step. Okay, and second step we have to find out equivalent radial load because we have to find out dynamic load C. So for that we have to find out W. So W is your equivalent radial load. Okay. So how to find out equivalent radial load? We have a standard equation. So equivalent radial load is equal to N1 W1 की power Q plus N2 W2 की power Q plus N3 W3 की power Q plus N4 W4 की power Q divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4 की power whole power 1 upon 3. Okay. So why we are taking 1 upon 3? Here 3 is your K. Okay. Actual equation was 1 upon K. So K for ball bearing, we are considering here particular case of ball bearing. So we have put it here 3. If we will take the value of roller bearing, so we will, where is 3, for example W1 की power 3, right? So it will convert by 10 divided by 3 or directly 3.33. Okay. So we can find out same thing for roller bearing and for ball bearing. So put the all value, we have W1 is equal to 3 की power 3 and N1 is 0.1 N. Similarly, N2 is 0.2 N into W2 is equal to 2 की power 3 plus 0.3 N into 10 W3 की power W3 is equal to 1 kilonewton की power 3. Okay, and similarly plus 0.4. So this is your N4 is equal to 0.4 N into 10 power, into 0. So why we are taking W4 is equal to 0? Because in last case there is no load. Okay, so no load means this is equal to 0. Okay, divided by 0.1 N plus 0.2 N plus 0.3 N plus 0.4 N. Okay, so by finding out final answer, you will get equivalent radial load is equal to 1.663 kilonewton. Okay, now how to find out dynamic load? So dynamic load you can find out using this equation. This is standard equation. So L is equal to C divided by W की power K. K is for ball bearing, this is equal to 3 into 10 to power 6 revolution. So when we will, L is your rating life. Okay, rating life means rating life always consider with respect to 90% of your reliability. Okay, C is your basic dynamic load rating, and you have to find out this. Okay, basic dynamic load rating you have to find out. So put the value of all values in this equation. So C is equal to W into L90 divided by 10 to the power 6. L90 we have already find out. W we have find out. So W is equal to 1.663 and L90 is equal to 37 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 10 to the power 6. So finally you will get dynamic load is equal to, basic dynamic load is equal to 5.54 kilonewton. So this is your what they have asked in your numerical problem. Okay, so this is your final answer. So in similar way, by following the similar method, you can find out different unknown parameter. For example, here C will be given, so you have to find out equivalent radial load. Okay, so you can directly find out by using this relation. Thank you.